high school, 40 years ago. Nag-ali ako sa Naga in 1977. Ano na, medyo uprooted na ako sa Naga. Pero tatawa ako mag-Bicol. Hindi ko nakalingaw mag-Bicol. Siyempre, si Dagang kung sa ikang dakula, di may malilingawan. Sauro yan sa mga siguro nanonood ko sa Naga. Si Papa, kanya pa ako sa Naga, pag nadayon kang nagtatagalog sa harong o nag-i-English, sasabihin na sa'yo mo, bakong Bicolano ka ngayon eh. So love your own language, love your own culture. At the same time, you go beyond that. And that is part of the Bida spirit. Anyway, before anything else, I'd like to introduce the Bida team. Ang Bida team, we're really just a bunch of dreamers. People who believe that if we just keep complaining about things in our country, nothing will happen. And if we keep pointing the blame at other people, things will not improve things will not change for the better. The primary belief in Bidahan is that if you want to change this country, if you want to change things, if you want to change your family, if you want to change your school, change begins with the self. So, Bidahan or Bida comes from Mahatma Gandhi's short line. Be the change you want to see in the world. If you keep complaining about things and you want to change things, you ask yourself, the things that I wish to see in the world, do I see it in myself? Because if I cannot, then things are hopeless. But if I see the seeds of change in me, and if I see the seeds of the ideal things that I want to see, if I see them in me, then there is hope. There is hope in the world. So be the change we want to see in the world. Tapos, since Pinoy tayo at ang Pinoy corny, not only that, two things, corny ang Pinoy, pangalawa, we are looking for heroes. We lack heroes in our country. Kailangan natin ng mga bida. Nandun na sa sabi niya na, actually, ang keyword na kay Mahatma Gandhi, bida, change. Diba? Kaya, hinahanap daw yung mga bida. So, tayo mga bida. That's what bida means. We are the new heroes. You are the new heroes. Because change can begin with you. So, yung sa Ateneo group, they will be the ones running much of the workshop. Kami mga matatanda, mga gurang, we'll just come in once in a while. But they have gone through this because part of the message is, actually, you don't need us. If you do things well enough, and if you know the vision, this country is yours for the taking. This country actually is on its way to falling into your hands. Actually, sa Ateneo Dinaga ko yata nakita yung sa amin CR eh. Nilagay pa naman dun sa urinal, nakalagay doon, ang kinabukasan ng bayan ay nasa iyong mga kamay. Ang tinutubo niya. Wala na siguro yung malaki dun sa amin CR sa Santos Hall dati. Wala na siguro yan. Pero totoo, di ba? Ang kinabukasan ng bayan ay nasa inyong mga kamay. Pero, sabi ko, pero it made me remember that. It's true. It's in your hands. So, nasa kamay ng kabataan. So, ang Bida team is si Tor ang inyong main MC. Tor